What's the meaning of arbour? Arbour. Arbour.
Arbour. Arbour. Arbour refers to a structure made of latticework or open framework, usually made of wood or metal, that is used for shading or supporting plants such as vines or roses. It typically consists of vertical posts or columns that support a series of horizontal beams or slats on top. The purpose of an arbour is to provide a sheltered outdoor space that is protected from direct sunlight, while also allowing air to circulate freely within the structure. Arbour can be found in gardens, parks, and public spaces, often forming a picturesque or romantic feature within the landscape.